Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So, today we're going to mess around with this great little hair tool I have. I haven't tried it since my hair's gotten a little bit longer. We're just going to check it out and see what we think. I don't have anywhere to go today. Thank goodness, because it's a little bit rainy out. I am sitting here eating a pint of Halo Top because my blood sugar was dropping. It was the only thing I had because I haven't been to the store in forever. And then I'm drinking some iced coffee. So, please excuse the fact that I have no makeup on. We'll get that corrected in another little video. But the first thing I want to do is I want to take some of this dry shampoo. It's really the best one I found, and it's like almost out. So it's the Dove one. It's pretty inexpensive, and I get it at Walmart. So we'll just put some of that in, and we're gonna go to town on our hair. So I have watched a few videos on this, and I think I have it down. Maybe. I say that very cautiously. It is a little bit of an awkward tool, but I just have like some of the stuff I've seen, and we're just gonna try it. What else could go wrong? Who knows here? Who knows? So what I'm not sure of, should I do it down or up? I don't think that did anything. Excuse me, I have to put my glasses on. Please excuse my glasses. I know I've got like so many freaking mirrors going in here and lights. Let's see. So, it's not really doing anything for me. Shocking. Story of my life. See, it just kind of... My hair is not cooperating at all. This is not good. Let's see something. I wonder if it's hot enough for my hair. Now, there it does a little bit, but it's still not much for my hair. My hair kind of does that on its own. Thank you, little curler. You're getting ready to go in the trash. And the donate pile. Yeah. So you see what it's doing? It's just not crimping my hair up. We're going to go all the way through the process because God knows if I didn't, somebody would say something. How much hair left? It's not going to take long. I need to go see Drew so he can straighten my hair out. See, it's not performing at all. It's just not even doing enough for me to put heat on my hair. This is the first product to go in the trash, or the first utensil. Utensil? That doesn't sound like that's the right word. On to another. So, this is my time curler. Let's see how that does. You guys think I'm playing. Anybody that really knows me knows I'm not. Because I will get rid of things. I have to get rid of things. I can't have everything. You just can't have it all. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's try this again. Now, get the little time thing. Ugh. Sometimes I believe that I should just put Aquanet hairspray in my hair and then style it, because then it will work. All right, we're gonna turn that on. We're waiting for this sucker to cool down, and then it's going in the trash. I don't care. Or somewhere, not here. Somewhere, anywhere, but not here. I just can't keep all this stuff. You can't do it, Susan. You can't have it all. Sorry, guys. This ice cream was a must. I went to the doctor a couple weeks ago. I believe. And, okay, with this time thing, you're supposed to put the bend. That sucker curl closest to your head. There's a notch in it. I'll show you. Anyway, so when I went to the doctor, see that notch right there, closest to your head. Yeah. My pump hadn't been acting right. I was having ups and downs, and I just couldn't get it in control. And I kind of had the pump, according to the doctor, the pump was kind of working against me, which is never any good. So, anyway, yeah. So he he changed had me change some of the settings on it. And guess what? Working like a dream. But I'm tending to have a little bit of lows because it's programmed for me to... It's assuming I'm doing what the doctor thinks I do, which I'm not sure if I do it or not. It's programmed that it assumes I'm eating at night and not giving myself insulin. And I think that does happen sometimes. My father had that. It's called Nocturnal eating disorder. You don't even know you're doing it, and you eat very weird things. I don't think I ever had well, I have had some weird things, but not really bad. Some people, like, no kidding, have to lock themselves out of their fridge and all that stuff to prevent the eating. Okay. So that did do a little bit. What do you think, guys? It's just, my hair doesn't want to curl. That's why I normally let it go naturally. But I do like that product. Hair tool. So that one is a keeper. So now I've got some body in my hair. And, yeah. Doesn't look like hell. I don't want to even tell you how long it's been since I washed my hair. It's embarrassing. Totally embarrassing. We're going to try a couple more things. Cheap. Okay. So the next thing we got is another gimmick. This is the Lane. I don't know. This sucker is weird. It's got like a fan on it. Everything. I don't understand. This is still warm enough that I don't want to. Yeah. Still a bit warm. We know we are to-going this. Okay, so this bad boy here, like, nope. I don't even know how you do this one. It's supposed to be like a flat iron, curling iron thing, but not so comfortable. No, we're gonna take this out of here too. So this is my regular dry bar flat iron, and I love it. I'm not getting rid of this. This is my absolute like must. What else do I have in here? Oh, then I have my Hot Tools curling iron, just a plain old curling iron. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Yeah. Then I have my beach comber, which I love as well, but with my hair length right now, it doesn't necessarily work, but I know that this is good and it's a keeper. It's a keeper. See, there that thing goes. It's obviously heated up. This thing right here, it'll burn your hair out. It's going to a good home. Over the trash. Some things I'm just not putting on my head because you know what it'll do. Okay, and then we have this is a tapered curling iron. We're going to try this today too. And then lastly, I have the Dyson like hair curler and stuff. In love with the Dyson, but we'll get that out too. So we got a couple more to try, a couple we know we're keeping, a couple going away, and this good old handy dandy right here. So, I don't even know where to begin with that thing. I am gonna spray some heat protectant on my hair. Okay. Actually, let's let that dry out a little bit and I'll be right back.